This drink helps you get rid of belly fat in just 1 week. There are many things that help you lose belly fat besides diet and exercising. For example, this drink. As long as you drink it regularly, your belly fat will disappear quickly. The first ingredient of this recipe is beetroot. Beetroot help you lose weight because they contain no fat and are a good source of dietary fiber. Fiber helps fight fat by maintaining proper bowel function and lowering cholesterol levels for weight loss. In addition, beetroots are rich in magnesium, a mineral that is beneficial for weight loss. A 2011 study found that high levels of magnesium led to higher levels of testosterone, a hormone that promotes fat tissue loss and increase in muscle. Since muscle burn more calories than fat, maintaining or building muscle can help with weight loss. Now, prepare 1 beetroot and peel it. Then, cut the beetroot into small pieces. Put the beetroot into a blender. The next ingredient of this recipe is carrot. Low in calories and full of fiber, carrots are a superfood for weight loss. Due to its high fiber content, carrots will keep you full for a longer time and thus will reduce your appetite. Carrots also helps in bile secretion, which helps to burn fat and thus aids in weight loss. In addition, the fiber in carrots can help control blood sugar level. They are high in vitamin A and beta-carotene, which is proved to lower your diabetes risk. Now, cut 1 carrot into small pieces. Put the carrot into the blender. The next ingredient we will use is lemon. Lemons contain pectin, a soluble fiber that has been shown to aid in weight loss. Besides, polyphenols, a special type of antioxidant found in lemons, can hold up body fat gain. Lemons are also high in vitamin C that helps your immune system fight disease and infections. Now, cut 1 lemon in half and squeeze 2 tablespoons of lemon juice into the blender. Next, add 5 mint leaves into the blender. Mint can stimulate digestive enzymes, helping to facilitate better absorption of nutrients from fruit. When your body is able to assimilate nutrients properly, the metabolism improves. A faster metabolism helps in weight loss. In addition, mint can improve memory and retrieve the brain cognitive function. Regular consumption of mint can increase the brain power by improving alertness, memory retention, and other cognitive functions. Next, add half a cup of water. Now, blend the ingredients for 1 to 2 minutes or until you get a smooth mixture. Pour the drink into a cup and drink it immediately. You should drink it in the early morning or 1 hour before your breakfast.